ये है
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
हसन अली हमारे।
कैसे हैं आप?
देखा है इनको पहले भी।
अच्छा, ये वजीर साहब
कैसे हैं आप? ठीक है।
इधर से
अरे उस समय ठीक नहीं है मेरी, ऐसे मगर इनको देखा है मैंने।
अच्छा,
कहाँ पे? टीवी पे ही देखा होगा आपने।
नहीं, मेरे ख्याल से मैंने आपको क्रिकेट या जगह पे देखा है।
हाँ जी।
क्रिकेट
जी।
पे।
फास्ट बॉलर हूँ मैं, हसन अली मेरा नाम है,
हाँ,
और 7-8 साल से खेल रहा हूँ मैं।
अच्छा
जी।
यहाँ क्लब कौन से क्लब से खेलते?
वॉरकशायर से, काउंटी खेल रहा हूँ वॉरकशायर से।
अच्छा, वॉरकशायर।
जी।
माशाल्लाह, बहुत अच्छे
हाँ।
बॉलर हैं हमारे। जी, हाँ जी।
हाँ हाँ,
बैठो बेटा,
इनको
हमके
खेलना
साथ ही
पड़ेगा।
बैठो।
हैं?
ये जब खेलते थे
तो
ना,
खेलना पड़ेगा।
when he used to play, the fast bowlers were Tyson, Frank Tyson,
I don't know, it's like a
Loda,
long...
you don't know, Alec Batzer,
Okay.
an English bowler. He came here in 1954.
Yes, yeah, first tour, first ever
First
tour.
Pakistan tour. And when they won the Oval Test match, that historical
Test
victory
Victory.
for Pakistan, he was the highest scorer.
He was highest scorer.
Yeah, and he won the match.
और आप ठीक?
जी जी सर।
यहाँ कौन सी क्लब से खेल रहे हैं?
वॉरकशायर से।
वॉरकशायर।
जी जी जी, यही बर्मिंघम।
हाँ, yes, yes.
जी। Thank you so much for giving me this precious time, and it's honor for me, and you know, I got goosebumps, and
हाँ, नहीं,
you know, so you are the living legends.
आप बैठ जाए ना, बैठ जाए।
ये सब मीडिया से हैं।
हाँ?
ये सब मीडिया से हैं। ये उल्टी सीधी बातें लिखते हैं ये वाले। ये वाले सही हैं, ये वाले अच्छे हैं।
Thank you for coming.
You just share some words with me, or it will be great for me to share your experience with me.
Wow. एक्सपीरियंस क्या? सारी दुनिया के फास्ट बॉलर को खेल चुके हम।
जी जी, माशाल्लाह। So these are the five brothers. जी जी जी।
We were working out in the car on the way over that.
So अभी जाते हैं मैच मूच देखने टीवी पे, या के घर पे ही बैठे रहते हैं मोस्टली?
नहीं, मोस्ट ऑफ द क्रिकेट तो टीवी पे आ जाता है।
हाँ जी।
जब आ जाता है तो फिर आई डोंट थिंक आई शुड गो।
जी,
हाँ,
जी।
कब कभी चाहते हैं कोई अच्छा प्लेयर ऐसा वर्ल्ड क्लास हो तो उसको देखने
चले जाते, एशेज वगैरह देखने कभी कभी
हाँ,
चले जाते होंगे,
ऐसा
क्योंकि
बात।
वो
ये हसन, ये हमारे पांचों भाई की फोटो
ये
है।
तो आप है ना?
ये मैं वहाँ थे। बद से बदनाम बुरा।
नहीं नहीं।
हाँ, ये
और थल्ले लिख ले आज के।
दिस इज सादिक मोहम्मद,
जी।
दिस इज मी, दिस इज वजीर मोहम्मद,
Him.
and that's my another elder brother Rais Mohammed.
Rais Mohammed.
Yeah, he's the one who didn't play
Okay.
the test match.
Okay.
But he played 10 years for Qazi Azam Trophy.
First class.
Yeah, and Hanif.
Hanif Mohammed.
Yeah, Hanif Mohammed. So
The longest inning in the world.
yes. The world record. Yeah.
Yes.
He played in that match at Barbados.
Okay. So they both were playing together on that.
Yeah, on that test match, yes. And Hanif batted for 3 days.
So what, sir? When did you get debut? Your debut?
My debut was 1958.
1950. Or so he was in 1954.
He played for Pakistan in 1952
Two. Okay.
against India and all this. Went to India and all these.
That was the
tours.
first ever team of
But
Pakistan.
1954 is the first Pakistan tour to England.
England. Okay. When he was part
He
of
was a
that.
member of that team.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Mushtaq, we were wondering in the car whether Wazir would have liked to have faced Hassan Ali when he was bowling.
Would you like to face me in
Ah.
this age?
When?
It's up to you.
Of course I would like to.
So there's no, huh?
Any challenge, any
There's no,
challenge.
no.
Eh?
I played all the world-class bowlers.
So I'm nothing, huh?
Gilchrist.
Play world-class and take their trial. How he is world-class. Let me see. So I was always try to. That was in my mind. World-class. Let me see.
I'll take you on.
Okay, you are the world class. Okay, come. We'll see you on the pitch, huh?
You see, in his days, they played in uncovered wickets, no
Yes,
helmet,
no
no
helmet,
protection,
yeah,
nothing.
nothing.
They even
No.
even the leg guards were very
No thigh guards.
not high guards. Nothing.
The quality of glove is
I
very
got
low.
तो मैंने पहना ही नहीं आज तक.
अच्छा.
Thin, tiny.
I have never played a tie played.
Just put a towel, eh?
Towels?
Just
Maybe pillow?
No, then you are uncomfortable.
Okay. So you are not comfortable to wearing tie.
Should we get to...
So did you enjoy your time when you were playing?
Of course.
So is there any
World class.
nightmare for you, any bowler or anything, something like that? You will say, oh, he's coming, or I cannot face
No,
him. Not at all.
PCB, Pakistan Cricket
So you always be positive
on the
and
50th anniversary of Oval Test.
Always, it is nice to play a world class.
He can show it to me.
You enjoy playing world class.
first class.
वो है पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट बोर्ड ने दिया होगा शायद
50 anniversary Pakistan victory of wow. 50 anniversary.
सर आप एक्सप्लेन कर दो उनके लिए कि एक medal
So this medals belongs to the Oval victory. So we can
1954.
say 50 anniversary Pakistan victory ovals. So ये आपको उन्होंने दिया था सर कि 50 साल हो गए हैं. तो खुशी होती है इन चीज़ों को देख के जब फोटोज लगी हुई हैं, ट्रॉफीज पड़ी हुई हैं आपकी सारी. So you feel happy whenever
Yes,
you...
this is my treasury.
This is another picture. ये जब इनको Pride of Performance मिला था.
Oh, General Pervez.
2004 में ये medal मिला था.
Parvez Musharraf.
जी जनरल परवेज मुशर्रफ. So pride of honor.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're getting pride of honor.
Sorry, Pride of Performance.
Pride of performance. Yeah.
वो जो होता है ना presidential.
Yes,
pride
yes,
of
pride of performance. So where did you get in Pakistan or here? Or you went Pakistan?
No, this was here.
Oh, here. Okay. In England. You look young there.
Him and my other brother Hanif, they were in the side. Hanif was a hero in those days, but he was one of the member of the side, and his contribution towards the victory, the very first victory against England at the Oval, when Pakistan won. It was a very low-scoring game. And his contribution, he was 42 not out, won the match. And so he's very proud of that moment. Yes.
Loader,
Laker Lock. They were the bowlers.
You enjoy playing world class.
Yeah.
So you mean to say when you take the challenge, then you more enjoy.
Yeah, you enjoy more, and you want to play and see
What
how he is world class.
Okay, lovely.
Give those
Okay.
to Wazir and to Mushtaq.
So
And you might be playing as well.
हमारी मीडिया टीम से हैं, वर्कशायर की मीडिया टीम से हैं.
अच्छा,
मीडिया.
I see.
So I have something for you and Sir Mushtaq. There's 2 tickets.
Oh, thank you.
So the T20 team is coming here, Pakistan T20 team. So we have one game here at Edgbaston. So
I see.
Pakistan versus England. So it would be honor and great if you would like to join us on that day.
Right.
So there's 2 tickets for
Thank you very
you
much.
both. and it will be very honor if you will come to there.
Thank you. I will come.
Oh, thank you, Hassan.
If you feel okay, if your health is okay,
I
please
think I'll be okay.
do come, please, sir.
I'll be okay.
Don't worry, I'll make him run from here.
So that's two
It's
tickets.
wonderful.
Thank you.
So before World Cups, we have series here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Before World Cup, so we have series here. So please do come if you feel okay. So then please
हाँ.
come.
मैं यही तो अभी तक सोच रहा हूँ कि इनको कहाँ मैंने देखा.
हाँ, इनको याद नहीं आ रहा.
हाँ जी.
लास्ट ईयर देखा होगा. लास्ट ईयर भी इधर ही था हसन.
जब मैंने चैंपियन ट्रॉफी जो है ना यहाँ पे खेला था, चैंपियन ट्रॉफी जब हम जीते थे तो मैं उसी टीम का हिस्सा था.
अच्छा.
2017 में.
देखा
हाँ जी,
होगा.
हाँ जी, 2017 में.
यार.
फिर 2019 का वर्ल्ड कप भी खेला, वो भी यहीं पे था
हाँ.
इंग्लैंड में. और अभी 2023 का वर्ल्ड कप भी खेल के आया हूँ इंडिया में.
चलो.
तो 2016 में मेरा डेब्यू हुआ था.
बॉलर हैं आप.
जी, मीडियम पेसर.
आपकी ट्रायल लेनी पड़ेगी.
He'll put his pads on.
I have everything for you. You know, good pads, thigh pad, helmet, whenever.
Yeah, wonderful.
You know, there's a between gap in your test debut and my test debut.
Of
Like
course,
65 something.
Yeah, must
So
be.
after
Oh.
65, I got debut. When you got debut, 65 years gap.
आओ.
गैप आपके आप जब खेलते थे और हसन डेब्यू किया.
So 65 years का gap है.
Oh.
So can you share that 55-year experience with me, and it would be great.
Of course.
any
I
advice?
will be very pleased to.
या कुछ आपको याद है, मतलब है आपके ज़माने की क्रिकेट.
हाँ.
और which test match you remember most? Which one is the most? You had a great tour of West Indies. He was the still up now. He probably is the only.
तुमने वो बोला तो मेरे को याद आ गया. गेल क्राइस was a bit crack.
Gilchrist fast bowler.
बॉलिंग काटने जाते 2 4 5 कदम
जी.
और फिर यूं बोलता, oh man I will kill you.
Yeah, they speak like that. Oh man, I will kill you. West Indies के जो है.
So आपने
सबको
क्या
डर लगता था कि ये कह रहा कि मैं I will kill
नहीं
you.
वो जो इस किस्म का जो बहुत जालिम और उनको खेलने का मजा तो और
Oh, आ रहा था.
वो बात ही और है. और एक ऑर्डिनरी बेचारा वो गेन कर रहा है.
जी जी जी.
इज नॉट वर्ल्ड क्लास.
So that's nothing
तो
for you. huh?
उसमें इतना मजा नहीं आता.
हाँ.
मजा आता है उसमें जो वर्ल्ड क्लास हो.
More challenge,
हाँ.
more competitive.
ये टाइसन और ट्रूमन और ये वर्ल्ड क्लास. ओ सारी दुनिया उनको और बैट्समैन लोग तो याद ही रखते हैं उनको. बहुत जबरदस्त गेंद बॉल करते
आपके टाइम पे तो बाउंसर भी 6 बाउंसर करते थे.
या 6 बाउंसर. नो रूल रेगुलेशन. यू कैन बॉल ऑल 6 बाउंसर्स.
बाउंसर्स. तो
No helmet है.
नो
No
हेलमेट.
helmet
तो सर वो
नहीं.
तब कब कैसे टैकल करते थे? मतलब हम देखते थे,
Yeah,
मतलब 6 बाउंसर
even in
मारे.
my time, even in my time, which is 60s and 70s,
जी.
there were no helmets.
हमने कुछ वीडियोस ऐसे भी
We
देखे ना.
played,
जैसे
we played fast ball like Andy Roberts, Holding,
माइकल होल्डिंग.
all English fast bowlers, you know, Dennis Lilly, Thompson, everyone. We had a player of my era, like Majid Khan, Asif Iqbal, Sadiq Mohammed, and all this. We all played with no protection at all.
So no helmet,
No,
no thigh guard.
and in our early days of say 60s and early 70s, up till about 75, 76, we played on uncovered wickets. The wickets were never covered.
Never covered.
So God forbid if you're batting one day and next day
Spongy
you come,
bounce, wet
it's all
pitches.
wet, you know, you have to play on it.
You have to.
And
सर अभी तो बहुत फ्लैट ट्रैक्स हो गए हैं.
now the batting has become
More easy.
because the conditions are made easy. You know, good wickets, covered wicket, helmet, everything.
Small boundaries.
Small bound. Yeah, that thing made a lot of change. It's good for cricket, I think. Yeah.
Actually, it's good for the entertainment. So
Ah.
people wants to see the sixes, boundaries, runs.
Yeah, change. Yeah, change. has
Cricket
to
is
come.
change a lot.
Yeah.
हमने समटाइम ऐसी वीडियोस आती है ना कि वेस्ट इंडीज के बॉलर्स जाते जाते अंपायर्स को ऐसे मार देते थे. So they were like a boss. वेस्ट इंडीज के बॉलर जो होते थे,
हाँ
ये जो एम्ब्रोज वगैरह, ये मार्शल
वो
एम्ब्रोज,
जी जी जी.
ये तो अंपायर्स को भी मार देते थे. तो अब सीन कपल ऑफ स्पेल्स जो बाउंसर पे बाउंसर, बाउंसर पे बाउंसर.
अच्छा, एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट है. इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट दैट the West Indies tour is always remembered for Hanif by scoring 300 plus runs in that
The
inning,
longest,
and the longest,
longest
test
inning, test inning.
But that was a draw.
That was.
The first victory against West Indies was mainly due to his contribution. He scored in that match 189 runs.
Okay, that's his highest score.
That's his highest test score as well. And then Pakistan won that match, and that was the first ever victory against West Indies.
In which
West
year?
Indies.
1957.
57.
1957. Yeah.
So
Long
the
time.
series is always remembered.
तब पाकिस्तान 10 साल का था.
You know, on that
सब लोग
tour,
याद रखते हैं हनीफ भाई का 337
but because that's
longest
longest inning.
But जो winning contribution था मैच का, जो मैच जीता था वो इनका था.
yeah,
So,
on
वो,
on that particular tour, 1957, the first tour Pakistan ever
you
went.
know it was
What happened?
three children, 3 boys were sitting on a mat.
On the tree.
बहुत
याद है?
हाँ याद तो है
हाँ
कि
बोलो
वो
बोलो.
गिर के भागा है और गिर गया और हॉस्पिटल ले गए और क्या क्या फिर आके वो वहाँ फिर बैठ गया.
अच्छा, गिरने के बाद फिर आगे बैठ गए.
हाँ,
हाँ दूसरे दिन.
फिर उसको जो ट्रीटमेंट
जी,
मिली
इसके बाद, इसके बाद.
फिर आके उसके फ्रेंड्स है ना
ओके ओके.
तो वो साथ उसका
टाइम और अपॉर्चुनिटी
नहीं,
बहुत
you
खुशी
are
हुई है.
welcome,
बहुत खुशी हुई है आपको मिलके. लास्ट ईयर मैं इनसे 1-2 दफ़ा फ़ोन पे बात की थी. मुझे
अच्छा.
कुछ काम था रिगार्डिंग एम्बेसी. तो ही गाइड्स मी यू नो द प्रॉपर्ली. और इनसे भी अब जो है वो मुलाकात हो गई है. आई थॉट कि आप ही होंगे, बट